Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am preparing white sauce pasta. Let's have a look at the ingredients required. First, we need bowl of pasta, and then you can choose the vegetables you like. Here I am taking broccoli, jalapeno, onion and capsicum and small piece of carrot and mushrooms, and we need 2 small pieces of garlic, handful of corn. For preparing sauce, we need butter. I am taking 3 tablespoons of butter here. We need equal amount of all-purpose flour. I will be taking 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We need milk, and for seasoning we will be taking red chili flakes and black pepper powder and salt as per taste. First step is to boil the pasta. I am taking water in a vessel and keeping it for boil. The water starts boiling. We will add 1 tablespoon of salt to this and put half tablespoon of oil. Let the pasta boil. It has to cook up to 80%. Pasta is getting boiled. Meanwhile, I am going to chop all my vegetables. You can see I have finely chopped garlic and jalapenos, and remaining all vegetables I have roughly chopped. And let's see if our pasta is boiled. Good. You can see it is boiled very nicely. So we will turn off the gas and drain this pasta. After running this through the cold water, keep it aside. Now let us boil our vegetables a little bit. Put little bit of oil. Let us keep these vegetables aside. Now I am going to prepare white sauce. For that, first I am putting butter. I am taking 3 tablespoons of butter here. You have to put 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And note that this should be on low flame, and mix this flour and butter. Once that raw smell of butter and flour is gone, we have to put milk. The flour mixture looks good. Let us add milk little by little. You have to keep mixing this or else lumps will get formed. After adding all the vegetables and pasta, just mix well and boil it for 1 to 2 minutes, and then our pasta should be ready to eat. You can add cheese up over this, that will be very delicious, so I am skipping cheese in today's video. And then turn off your gas. Our white sauce pasta is ready. Let's serve and taste it. Wow, it looks so creamy. This is really a cafe style creamy white sauce pasta. We should definitely try this. Okay, we are going to enjoy our pasta. You guys also try to prepare this at home and enjoy. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.